Ever heard this from the grandparents? Just give a little salt in the food. At least the food will taste good. Sounds familiar, right? Today, let's see why salt is actually harmful for babies under 1 year of age. What are the effects of excess salt in your child's body? In babies under 1 year of age, their kidneys are tiny, immature, still learning to filter. And extra salt means that you're asking a toddler to lift a bag weighing at least 10 to 15 kilos. The salt stresses out the kidneys. It doesn't make the food any tastier. It only increases the risk of kidney problems and high blood pressure later on. And breast milk, it's already perfect. It has all the sodium a baby needs. The rice, the dal, the vegetables all contain naturally available sodium. So, the extra salt that you feel tempted to put in the food is absolutely unnecessary. And here's something important. Babies do not miss salt until we introduce it. And once we do it, they will start craving for it. So, actually, it is us who create the problem. If you look at it from the perspective of evolution, babies are designed to drink breast milk, which is low in salt. Salt was rare in the diet of our ancestors, and our bodies haven't evolved to handle the extra salt perfectly well. And there is this modern lifestyle as well. Earlier, kids played outdoors all day. Meals were simple, fresh, and homemade. The exposure to salt was absolutely limited. And today, meals, snacks, processed foods, pickles, chips, available at the click of a button. Children are more sedentary. Screens are everywhere, and a combination of less activity and more salt increases the risk of blood pressure. Health problems like high blood pressure, that's hypertension, heart disease, kidney disease, are now visible even in adolescence and early adulthood. So even a little added salt adds to that risk of already unhealthy lifestyle. That's why we cannot treat the babies the same way as our parents did earlier. So, no salt before 1 year of age protects the kidney and heart. And you're not being strict with this, you're being wise. Wouldn't this make complete sense to your parents? Show this reel to your parents, to your grandparents, so that they know the reason why salt is refused below 1 year of age.